If you're looking for a quick guide on how to use Vendasta's advertising intelligence tool, you're in the right place. This tool can help you track, optimize, and leverage advertising data for better decisions, and today, I'll show you how to get the most out of it. Stay tuned until the end for an exclusive offer to try it out for free. First, let's talk about what the tool can do for you. The advertising intelligence tool allows you to track all of your digital marketing campaigns from a single dashboard. With all the data consolidated, you can quickly spot trends, see what's working, and identify areas to improve, making it perfect for businesses of all sizes. Next, let's dive into how to get started. Once you're in the tool, the first thing you'll notice is the comprehensive overview of your campaigns. You can see key metrics like clicks, impressions, and conversions in real time. This allows you to make data-driven decisions faster. The tool makes everything easier to understand, so you don't need to be an expert to optimize your campaigns. The third thing you want to do is connect your advertising accounts. Whether it's Google Ads, Facebook, or other platforms, Vendasta's advertising intelligence tool integrates seamlessly. Connecting your accounts means that you can pull in your data automatically, no manual input required. After that, let's focus on how to track your competitors. The advertising intelligence tool doesn't just give you insight into your own campaigns, but also lets you compare your performance against competitors in your industry. This competitive analysis helps you adjust your strategy and stay ahead of the game. Next, let's look at reporting. The tool offers powerful reporting features, allowing you to generate custom reports that highlight the most important data for you and your clients. You can save time by setting up recurring reports, so you don't have to generate them manually every time. The sixth thing you'll want to use is the predictive analytics feature. This part of the tool can help you forecast your campaign's performance based on historical data. It's like having a crystal ball that guides your decisions for future campaigns. Finally, let's talk about the bonus you'll get by using the link in the description below. You can access Vendasta's advertising intelligence tool for free with exclusive bonuses through our special offer. This means you'll have the chance to explore all the features I just mentioned at no cost. So, to recap, the advertising intelligence tool from Vendasta is a powerful, easy-to-use platform that helps you manage and optimize your digital ad campaigns. From connecting accounts, tracking competitors, to generating detailed reports, you'll have everything you need to make smarter marketing decisions. If you're ready to try it out, don't forget to grab your free trial by clicking the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.